What is going on, guys? We're here in South Florida at the Field and Stream Fish Camp. They brought me on as the chef to cook up a couple of dishes. Today is day one, and tonight we are headed to downtown Miami to go shrimping.
Wow, they pulled this thing out.
Yeah, what the lights go, huh?
So we're gonna get along the side of the bridge here, and there's a light at the back of the boat, and hopefully we start spotting some shrimp, and we got dip nets in the back that we'll scoop them up with.
Yeah. I want to poke anybody. I got two.
Two?
Two.
Hey.
Oh, sorry, well.
You're good.
There we go, dude. Someone want to, maybe I'll just kind of... Oh, they're stacked. How do you go? What's the best way to do this, guys? Should I turn and... Mike, you just keep going. Dump them? No, dude, you can just keep putting them in. Oh, you just get net pump? Look at this.
You got a bunch?
Oh, yeah, check it out. Two more. Woo!
There we go. Ah! There we go.
Look it. Show me, Mike. Yeah, good idea. I got two more. Oh. Oh.
That's a juicy one.
Look, see them jumping around there, guys?
They're not bad size.
No, they're not, dude.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
We're working on some ceviche right now.
They're everywhere right now.
Running. 3.
Keep going, keep going.
4. Look, they're all over the top of the water. Guys, look at this. Wow. Full of them. Yeah, can I get that light down here, guys?
There you go. Look at this.
Look at
this. Yeah, the big one right there.
I got him, man.
Hey.
Did you grab some action videos for me? Oh, you're on the light?
Oh.
Oh yeah. There we go.
There you go.
That's one.
We got one. Not a monster, but
Not a monster, but we work with what we have.
Oh, here.
Oh. Get in there. That's a nice one. Oh, that's a nice one.
That's a nice one. There we go. Oh. Ooh, that's
Get under there. Oh, go up there. Nice.
We'll definitely have enough for ceviche in a matter of no time.
Hell yeah. Oh yeah, go put it in there. Okay. Oh, there's more. Put it back in. Oh, yeah. You get that one? Oh yeah, keep going right now.
Oh, that was a good one.
Oh yeah.
Nice. Oh, nice. Thank you for the light work.
Of course.
Nice.
I'm gonna hold this up. This is slow now.
You already made. Yeah.
Miami music. Shrimp. They're gonna like it.
This one's the one.
Oh, I don't know.
Sweet.
Oh, you got it. Oh, here, right in front. There you go. Twofer.
Come on. Oh, here they come.
There you go.
That's like a current.
They're definitely closer to the bridge, that's for sure.
Oh yeah. There's a bunch right next to the bridge.
Oh,
Oh, back there is a bunch.
They are coming up by the net full. It's amazing. They're everywhere. They're all around the boat.
Wow.
Look at that.
I think we're good. I mean,
We got an aquarium.
this is insane.
I'd say like one more.
Dude, I can get my
Oh yeah.
big light.
Okay, get the big light. It's pretty crazy. Well, as we're talking here, there's just shrimp flying by us.
Right there.
Got him. Oh,
Not compression.
ooh, sorry.
No, you're good, bro.
This is crazy. All right, I'm gonna start sorting through the shrimp and
I think
picking
they're more
out.
thick over here.
I'm gonna start picking out the bigger ones and start making our ceviche.
Full B-roll action.
I got all hands on deck helping. Everyone. If you want to eat a shrimp, you got to peel a shrimp. Just.
Good idea, Dad.
Oh, that's a good
Oh yeah,
one.
those guys are killing it over there, aren't they?
Lorenzo. MVP. Look at this.
Hey, so after that,
You did some hard work, bud. Thank you. So these shrimp we caught right here in the city of Miami, right behind me. Go through and try to get the larger size. And these guys, these are actually Florida brown shrimp. So they're not the pink shrimp. They have that little dot right there. And if you ask me, they're better than white shrimp. I don't think they're as good as pink shrimp, but they're definitely better than white shrimp. But these are, we're gonna pull the big guys and start shelling. So we're gonna do a very traditional basic ceviche. So we're gonna have lime to cure it. We're gonna salt our shrimp first. That's gonna draw out some excess moisture, and that's gonna help our lime cure them a heck of a lot faster. And then we're gonna add traditional ingredients like lime, red onion. We got a little bit of star fruit to tip of the hat to Miami, a little bit of tropical fruit, and we're gonna put red onion, cilantro, and that's about it. You don't have to do much to these shrimp. You can eat them raw as is, so we're not gonna do too much to bury the flavor of them. I know it looks done, but we're gonna let it sit for a little while just to let the onions release some of their juice and mix and marry, and everything in there's gotta get friendly, and then we'll dig in. Hey. Good?
Plenty of volunteers. Wow.
That looks like a massive.
That's great.
Oh, that lime must be.
Things could not have worked out more perfect. That was exactly what we wanted to happen last night, and it's so amazing when things come together like that. So this is just part of our catch. This isn't even everything. But I'm gonna do another recipe right now, and a lot of people are familiar with shrimp and grits. We're gonna do a play on that. I'm not gonna explain it yet because I want you to be as surprised as I think you'll be. So we have some jumbos. Now these jumbos, we're gonna take the heads off. I'll show you the cleaning process here, but we're gonna take the heads off. We're gonna put them aside. Now I'm left with just the body and the shell. I have my shrimp deveiner here, and you just follow down all the way to the tail. You've seen it plenty of times on the channel, but all in one scoop, I got my shrimp out. And we're gonna reserve the shells. It is deveined, clean shrimp, ready to go. And then these smaller ones, we're gonna put aside as well. And these are gonna go into our sauce that's going over our shrimp. So I'm gonna season my shrimp now so they have a little bit of time to marinate. And I have here K-Fred Cajun seasoning. Now Paul Prudhomme is the OG in Cajun. That fish magic is the best thing in the world. K-Fred's has the right amount of spice, the right amount of salt. To me, this is the perfect Cajun seasoning. So we're just gonna put a generous amount of those on and let them sit for a little while. All right, so I'll give you a little bit of a hint of what we're making. Right now, I'm gonna make a corn flour cornmeal batter because we are making grits crepes. You heard that right, grits crepes. So right here, I have masa. Masa is a very, very finely ground corn, and it is what normally tortillas, sopas, things like that, tamales are made out of. So that's gonna be our base. And then for the grits, for the little bit of the crunch, we have coarsely ground cornmeal. And that's gonna give you the texture of what you remember grits kind of tasting like. Then just a little bit of all-purpose flour, and that's just to act as a binder. And then I have here just regular kosher salt. And sugar in the raw. Now I'm going to put in 2 eggs. A little bit of milk. All right, we're going to start mixing. So we want this to be thinner than pancake batter. We're going to have to add a lot more here. I'm going to start adding just a little bit of tap water. All right, we're gonna throw this in the fridge. We're gonna grab those shrimp heads and we're gonna make our sauce. All right, we're gonna start building our sauce. I have this on what I hope is a medium heat. It's not my grill, I'm not sure. We're gonna find out together. But I have all my shrimp heads, shrimp shells, and the small shrimps. We're gonna throw those in, no oil, no butter, nothing. Okay, that's a medium heat. Now, one of the things I'm gonna throw in, I got here Arbol chilies. Those are going in with seeds and everything. These are, in fact, spicy. So those are going in, and I have a chili negro. Chili negro, we're actually gonna pull them apart and dump the seeds out because they can lend a bitter flavor. So we just want just the skin. A little bit of tomato paste. And we want that to caramelize. Not burn, but caramelize. A bit of garlic salt. And now half a stick of butter. But it's gonna be delicious. Now we're gonna add 1 can of stewed tomatoes. A little bit of cream. This is half and half, so a little healthier. We're gonna let this cook for a minute, and then we're gonna blend all this together. We're gonna pass our blended sauce through a strainer to get all those big chunks out of there. So we strained our sauce, all the big nasty bits are still in there. So we're gonna put that aside. And now we have our smooth, beautiful, smoky tomato sauce there. We're gonna put this back on the heat just to reduce it a little bit. And we're gonna taste that, see if it needs any seasoning at all. All right, so now we're gonna cook off a couple of our crepes. I didn't have to add any seasoning to the sauce. It was saucy. All right, now we're gonna cook our shrimp. Just a little more butter. Marinating in our K-Freds. These are gonna cook exceptionally fast to where I'm probably not even really gonna have to flip them. Give them all a flip. Look how perfect that is. And now on top of our shrimp, as they finish cooking, we're gonna put just a little bit of mozzarella cheese. All right, now that our cheese is all melted, into our crepe. Now in the same pan with the same oil, we're gonna do a fried egg, sunny side up. Gonna put our sauce down. Now roll our crepe. Our fried egg on top. There you go. Our shrimp and grits crepe. That is our second dish of the Field and Stream Fish Camp with the shrimp that we caught last night in Miami. Let's eat. Guys, all that beautiful cinematic cooking segment was all shot by Dave, who works for Field and Stream. So he's a lucky guy. He got the job to eat with me on this shoot. Well, we'll see if you're a lucky guy. You
I dig in first?
Yeah, you're the guest. Right. Oh, you gotta break the yolk first. Not that I'm telling you how to eat.
Gotta get the scallion in there too.
Yes, sir. I know you're professional.
Alright, man.
Cheers.
Cheers, brother.
That was a good time.
Oh my.
The sauce, yeah. It's nice and smoky.
Dude, the sauce is
Everything. And it's not overly shrimpy when you eat it with the crepe and everything else, and the egg just makes everything so perfect. The egg is everything. You happy you got the assignment?
100%. I'm living the high life over here.
Well, all right, guys. There's some other people filming at the fish camp simultaneously. They're out there doing a lot more fishing. So tune into Field and Stream to catch everybody on this trip that's doing their thing. Like I said, this is day 2. We got a lot more planned. We're gonna keep moving around Southern Florida, and I'm just gonna keep testing recipes. You happy?
Very happy.
All right, guys, I will see you on the next one. When food makes someone laugh, that's when you know it's good. Because it's like, that's what it's about, man. It's supposed to bring you joy.
Yeah, man.